Guys, I think this is the one. This CRT emulator for After Effects is not a plugin. It's a cheat code if you want to get insane CRT looks every single time. Click the link in the description. Not even trying to waste your time today, let's come up with a look. So first we're going to go to Windows, Extension and CRT right here. When it pops up, select your composition. We just have one right now, composition 1. Then click launch. So what it does, it opens up another composition and it's here. We'll get to work. Let me just move this out of the way a bit. It already looks sick, but I want to make something that I really love. I'm going to start with source. You can think of this as the color grading of the clip, while this other part has more to do with the actual effects. You can try out all these presets, but I think the first one is my favorite. Let's see the raw look. Tell me that doesn't already look sick. I'm gonna add some contrast, maybe a little saturation.
Slow down, baby.
I promise you I'm not doing this for the butts. On, off, on, off. Yeah, I'm gonna keep chroma on. I like the effect it gives off. Noise, always. And I think I'm satisfied with this, so I'd like to leave the vignette on and let's head back. For signal, you can see the previews already. I want a more chill look, so I think I'll stick with the PVM and 60 Hz to slow down the animation. Absolutely no complaints. I love it without playing with my knobs. Now let's head back. Moving on to the screen, I'm pretty satisfied with 2x distortion. I'm just gonna tweak the glow for a softer look. So the highlights here have a glowier effect. I don't know if glow has a word, but I'm rocking with it. On to the glitches. There are 23 different glitches, all customizable. I don't think I want a glitch, so I can just turn it off. Aperture, distortion. I'm not going through everything because it's so ridiculously customizable. You could get 100 different unique looks every time you open the plugin. I mean, just look at this. If you keep clicking on wear, it keeps like wearing out the image for that worn out old ass TV look. Like, it's freaking ridiculous. And if you find a look that you really like, you can just hit save and save it as a preset. Resolution, sharpness, pretty flipping self-explanatory. If you really want to nail the CRT look, I don't think there's a better, more convenient way to go. And if this sounds like something you're into, click the link in the description and level up your edits today. Use code Tobithemoonman and get $5 off. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.